Welcome to Summarize Science. Today we are looking at a breakthrough in genetic analysis called Aycromo. Chromosomes are the building blocks of our genetic identity, and analyzing them is crucial for diagnosing various medical conditions. However, the traditional way to do this is incredibly slow and labor-intensive. Doctors often have to spend several days manually counting and identifying chromosomes for just one patient. This manual process creates a massive bottleneck in hospitals and research labs. While AI models have been developed to help, they were often too complicated for non-programmers to use. The research paper introduces Aycromo as an open-source desktop platform to solve this usability problem. It is designed to be a tool that medical professionals can use without needing any programming knowledge. By using a graphical interface, it makes high-level AI accessible to any laboratory. As seen in the platform workflow, the process is streamlined and very intuitive. A specialist simply loads an image, selects a pre-trained AI model, and the software handles the rest. This system identifies individual chromosomes and highlights them with bounding boxes on the screen. One of the best parts is the interactive annotation module. It allows doctors to remain in control by reviewing and manually correcting any mistakes the AI might make. The software also includes a benchmarking module to help labs choose the best AI model for their specific needs. The researchers compared several different types of AI architectures to see which performed best. They focused on models like YLO, which are known for being extremely fast and efficient. They tested these models using a real-world dataset of images collected in a clinical environment. The results were impressive, as shown in the performance data. One model, called YLO-V11, achieved a staggering 99.4% accuracy in detecting chromosomes. Other models like Faster RCNN also did well, but were slightly behind the top performer. The clinical impact of this platform is quite significant. It can reduce the time required for a per-slide analysis from days down to just a few seconds. Because it is open source, any lab in the world can download and use it for free. In the future, the researchers plan to add even more features. This includes the ability to automatically classify all 23 pairs of human chromosomes. They also aim to test the tool in more real-world clinical environments to ensure its robustness. To recap, Aycromo solves a major bottleneck in genetic medicine by making AI easy to use. It combines highly accurate detection with a platform that keeps medical experts in the loop. This means faster diagnoses for patients and better tools for doctors. The future of genetic analysis looks much more efficient thanks to this open-source initiative.